This is how to create a pivot table from filtered data. I have my data over here and I filtered out the values for Alex, and I want to create a pivot table, but I don't want to also include the values for Alex. So the way to do that is to click on the top of your data and then select it all by pressing Ctrl Shift and the down arrow, and then Ctrl and C. And what this is going to do is it's going to copy to my clipboard the values from my data that have not been filtered out. And next I'm going to go to a new sheet and just press Ctrl and V, and this is going to paste my data without the values that I filtered out. So as you can see here on the agent, we don't have the Alex value. And now I'm going to just insert a pivot table, add my data to my pivot table over here, and this is how to do it. This is the way to create a pivot table from filtered data. Let me know if you liked it, thumbs up the video if you did, subscribe, comment if you have any comments, and I'll see you in the next one.